welcome to El Moro Pigeon Show. I am your host, El Moro. And today, man, I just brought two new birds, two gaditanos jerezanos, okay? So the first one, the guy gave it to me. He's sick. He's got I believe he's got a respiratory infection. The poop is good. He's eating well. He's drinking. Okay, you see, he's just breathing. He's got a problem breathing. So what I'm gonna do right now, see, the way he had these birds, they never got sun, ever. I don't know. I mean, anything could be anything, because see, the thing is, we don't have a veterinary to do a blood test and to give us a 100% diagnosis. So we gotta hit, and it's a hit and miss, and it's speculations, you know. So right now I'm gonna do everything to this bird, okay? I'm gonna put some drops of anti-parasite drops, okay? And the way you do this, you put it right on his neck, on the skin. I need two people to do this, but I'm here today. So this is the way you do it. So let me see. I go like this. I put 2 drops. All right, and I'm gonna rub it in. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some. I was gonna bring it. I forgot how you call this. What is it? Shh. Back up. That's my dog. Okay, I'm gonna bring it. I'll tell you what I'm putting up. This is mixed with water, and just in case you got any worms or anything, I was gonna soak him with this stuff. See, I'm gonna soak him with that. Okay, and then I'm gonna put them in the sun, because I noticed over there was no sun in the loft, nothing. Permethrin, this is called Permethrin, okay? Okay guys, so this is what I'm putting. It's called Permethrin. Now you got to be careful, because there are some, just to spray the loft, you cannot put that on the birds. But it's got to say livestock and premise spray. Okay? It's got to say for use on livestock, cattle, beef and dairy, goats, sheep, swine, horses and poultry. It's got to say that. If it doesn't say that, and then you probably kill the bird, because this thing is very strong. Okay? So you can put it on the birds. This is what I do. I put water. See, this right here, you squeeze. Watch this. See, you squeeze it. See how it fills up? And it fills up. And does a measurement. All right? You squeeze it, it fills up, and then you put it. I put the whole thing, this whole thing right here, I'll put it in here, then I put water. But you can also put it here, see? I'll put it here too. Just one. Depends how strong you want to make it. Okay? So just maybe something big like this, 1 or 1.5. And for something like this, just 1. Maybe even less, it'll work. I'm just exaggerating and everything, you know. But I'll put like 1 in here, all right? And then I fill it up with water. And then you just go in the loft and spray all the birds. They're gonna fly around, shoo, 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 shoo. You spray it. Have a lot of fun with it, okay? It doesn't hurt the birds whatsoever, okay? So again, Permethrin. You can buy that at Tractor Supply store, or you can order it online. So, okay, now I'm going to put them, I'll be back. And now, I got this bird. It's a brother of a champion bird. Okay? To win a competition in Miami, a gaditano competition, it's got to be a good bird. So this bird right here is the brother of a bird that won a competition in Miami. The name of the bird was the Emperor. He was second place. So to win even second place is not easy. Okay? Now, this bird flies. Okay? They had him flying over there in Miami with homers. All right? So I bought it. Don't ask me how much I paid for this bird. Okay? I bought him. Now I'm going to do the same thing because the thing is, he had him. See, watch. So what I'm doing is, I'm on top of the neck, I'm looking for skin. There you go. So now I get this. It's hard because I'm here by myself. Okay, so. There you go. Looking for some skin. I'm going to put 3 drops. This is for mites. Now I'm going to rub it in. This is for mites. Now, he's not going to like this. Okay, so this right here, probably he likes it because this loft, he has no time to take care of the birds. You see the flies right there, man? Because he's always locked up. Over here, nah, that ain't going to happen. See that always locked up in a little cage. So what I do is, because he got no time, I'm going to put him inside with my birds. He's healthy. The other one, I'm not going to put him inside with my birds. He's going to be quarantined. This bird is strong, man. And don't be fooled by the pouch, guys. These guys fly. And I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you a video. Okay? Man, this bird's strong. I'm gonna show you. I pull a bunch of feathers from the tail because they're all broken up, you know. All right. So yeah, he don't like that. I don't think he like it. All right. Now let me put him outside, and then I'll show you what I'll put. Okay. I'm gonna show you. I know that the experts out there, I know they're gonna say, "How are you gonna put that sick bird with the other bird? You crazy!" I know. I can hear it already. Don't put him. No, listen, Linda, listen. This bird, he has a respiratory infection. Okay. I'm putting him here only for a little bit. Okay. Then I'm gonna give him after 2 days. I'm gonna give him Tony's Treasure. Look at. After 2 days, I'm gonna give them Tony's Treasure. Okay, and I'm gonna separate that bird that can't breathe. I'm gonna separate. I'm gonna put him in the back. After 2 days, I'm gonna give him Tony's Treasure because he had him on 4-in-1. He had him in 4-in-1. So I don't want to give him no antibiotics, no kind of antibiotics right now. I don't want to mix antibiotics. So I was gonna let him chill there, and I'm gonna have him. Excuse me. I'm gonna have him get some sun, man. This bird has been all the time in the shade. Pigeons gotta get sun, okay? Now, look at this girl right here. They're gonna be like this one. Look at that. Okay, this is a Gaditana jerezana. That's a Gaditana jerezana. Okay, those are the best Gaditanos. And I put a video about. Look at her. Mama, her name is Bella. Hey, Mama. Yeah, I know you want to be paired up already and have some babies. Yes. Okay. I made a video about 13 years ago, and I'm gonna put it on this channel. Look at this baby right here. That's an 11 feather one. She's got one eye, one color, and the other guy, and the other eye, the other color. She's a buchona, she's a Spanish powder mixed with the Trenton, okay? So what I'm gonna do is my plans, yeah, willing. I am going to mix the gaditanos. You know what? I'm not going to talk about that right now because I'm going to make a show tomorrow, and that's a long explanation, so I don't really want to get into that, okay? But those guys right there, it's going to be just like her, all right? It's going to be just like her, all right? All right, good. All right, so those birds, Wash, what are you doing in there? You're supposed to be in there, mommy. What are you doing in there, huh? Yeah. Those birds, come here. Hold on. Let me put it on there. There. Those are, I got the buchones in there, the cocks. He's going. He's going soon. Look at that bird, man. Okay, I'm not gonna look at him because he's already sold, and I don't want to miss him. All right. Okay. So this guy got to get some sun. He got to get some sun. All right. And over there, he wasn't getting no sun. All right. Sun is good for them. He's still breathing. Watch. Give him a week. You'll see. You'll see how that bird gonna look. And I had to pull some feathers, man. But that's okay. All right. Hey. Wait, let me turn it off and let me go do some things and I'll be back. See, I put them more on the, my birds are loose, these are the hands. Yeah. I put them more on the sun, because they need to be on the sun. Yeah. Look at these guys, man. The powders. I'm going to make a video about powders. Here's a mixed one. That's polvacera. He's molting. Oh my gosh, they're molting like crazy. And that's his son right there. That's his son. He wants to be in the video. That's his son. That's Fantomas. And that's polvacera. And that's el marroquí. Those are Spanish powders or thief powders. Look at these guys. They're all wet. That's good. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. Doing good. Yeah. Yep. All right. So let me put this here. Good. All right. So listen, guys. Hey. So this video was about the two birds that I made. I'm gonna make. And that is the reason why I got gaditanos jerezanos. But it's too much to explain, so I'm going to make a whole video about that. All right, I'm going to make a whole video about that. Okay, and yeah, I can't even get into it because it's too much. I'm going to make it, and then I'm going to let you guys know, okay? Hey, man, thank you so much for watching. Really, thank you for sticking and watching this whole video. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much for commenting. You know, you can comment, you can call me. I'll talk to everybody I can. But the thing is, sometimes it doesn't show. It doesn't show. It says they got no views and I got a bunch of comments. And then sometimes also I got nothing, no comments, and my friend saying, "Hey man, you got comments over there." I'm like, I don't see them. So, you know, I respond. I try to respond to everybody. Hey, thank you for watching. You guys, everyone that's watching this, you have a beautiful and you have a blessed day.